Well, even as the mid-cap index is absolutely flat, we do have a lot of mid-caps which are spiking as we speak currently. We have Fortis Healthcare actually, that's the one that should come up for you, up almost 8% from the lows, and most of the gains have come by in just the last few minutes. A vertical spike is what we've seen out there. Yes.
We do have the Supreme Court hearing, or maybe the conclusion, which was expected this month, according to the management. So just want to point out that on Fortis, so maybe the street is anticipating something there.
Perhaps something is happening out there, but there's also a lot happening in Campus Activewear, which is up 9%. We'll talk about the footwear space in just a bit, but Sonia, we do have a bunch of other stocks as well that you're watching out for. In fact, Escorts Kubota, that's at a fresh high.
So, a couple of days ago, Escorts Kubota announced that they are amalgamating two of their JV companies, the loss-making JVs, but they are putting it together in order to come out with a simpler, cleaner organizational structure. Now, today, the management, when we spoke to them, gave us information about how this amalgamated JV is going to move forward, and a lot of positive commentary over there. They said that the JV, which is loss-making, will be profitable by FY24 itself. So, there's a concrete timeline by when the JV will be profitable. They will come out with a midterm business plan in November this year. And the big positive trigger for them now is localization of engine production. Now, localization of engine production will happen over the next 2 years, and that will bring down costs for them in a big way. The costs will go down by 25 to 30%. And just imagine the kind of operational efficiencies that will improve once this takes place. Of course, margins will improve as well. And apart from that as well, they speak about how September and October will be bumper months for the tractor industry, and because of the amalgamation, the volumes are expected to go up in a big way. So now Kubota has about 53% stake in Escorts Kubota in the JV. And generally when companies come on, global companies come on board, they look very quickly to correct the the wrongs perhaps. Right. And now with this localization of engine production, they're planning to bring down their costs by 25 to 30% in the next 2 years itself. And that's something that perhaps the street is pricing in right now. In fact, we had a chance to speak to the management, so let's listen in to what they had to say.
Both the JVs, I think, we expect, AKI, which is a manufacturing JVs, as you know, it started its production only in September 20. So last year was the first full year of operation, but the capacity utilization there was still very, very low. So we expect the capacity utilization will actually start moving up now. This year also is going up, and next year with the exports also increasing, we expect this JV actually will do well. So by FY24, we expect this JV should be able to be in black. KI, which is the sales company, is already making it's a already profitable venture, and we expect the profit also should start moving up there in another year or 2 years' time. Yeah, so that's a part of our midterm business plan, which we plan to unveil sometime in the middle of November. So yes, engine localization is very much a part of our plan now, because that will be the major cost-saving initiative, which we'll really undertake to make the JVs profitable.